social media with them.
Yes.
Me take back. You hear what I say?
Yes.
Me take back the 100 head.
Welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle, and thank you so much to all our viewers and subscribers for your continued support. Now today we are going to be visiting a farmer by the name of Leon Green, aka King Kong. So stick and stay for that. Also guys, please go over to this YouTube channel and subscribe, like, share. The name is Renault Productions. Just let them know that a Likkle Everything sent you. So now let's get into today's video.
Farming, you see?
Yes.
A long time me in a farming, you know?
Like how many years?
Me 64-year-old.
Yes.
Alright, I out of Try primary school, that's how me go.
Mm-hmm.
And from me left Try primary school, me there in a farming till now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
Wow.
Straight till now.
So at the time when you were going to Troy Primary School, it was an all-age school.
Yes, it was an all-age school.
Okay.
So it I know primary.
Ah, yes, it is a primary school now. So you were saying from the time you left primary, no, it wouldn't have been primary. From the time you left Troy all age, you were doing farming.
Yeah, farming me I do from that time straight till now. And barely but could have financed me way out.
Yeah.
Because what me would have said, the leadership are who are buy the stuff for we.
Yes.
Them no carry in the way that we fi survive out of it. That we can have something. If me should have used a word.
And what you plant, tell us what you plant, Mr. Green.
Just yam.
Just yam. What type? What type of yam?
Round leaf.
Okay.
And sweet yam. And it barely but could have survived. Barely but. When me say barely but, me barely but could have survived after it.
Yes, even though you would have been doing farming you could have probably, because you're 64 and you say over the years since you leave primary.
Yes.
I keep saying primary, since you left all age school.
Yes.
Right.
Me I do farming. Till now, and me barely, and I help me I forget fee. Like family help.
Yes.
That me could have built one little house out of it.
Oh wow. So you're saying it's very difficult.
Yes, farming is very difficult for somebody to sit in a hit and survive. Because, all right, me use one word.
Yes.
Look, for instance, me no bright.
Right.
Me never really, when me da use the word successful in a school.
Yes.
So there is no way when me see where me could have, unless me did go learn one trade.
Right.
Unless me did go learn one trade. You understand me?
Yes, yes.
So me I say maybe if me did go learn one trade. But at the same time, me head in penetrate say one trade. Me I concentrate on the farming.
Yes.
For survival.
Yes.
You know, see, and when me tell you say work very hard.
Yes.
Me work, me no believe no man in the world work hard like me.
Because you mentioned when we were off camera that you just practically live in a farm.
Yeah, but me tell you, Zelly know. Zelly know, because up there, so me tell you, say, up there, so me born and grow.
Yes.
No. Me born up at top Shudley, as me did that tell you up. But me majority of my time I up top side Zelly them.
Okay, that's in Trelawny.
Yeah.
Because we're on the border of Trelawny and Manchester.
Yes.
Yes.
So the most of my farm too. Depend on Trelawny. You have to step on the border because you step out the river.
Yeah.
Alright, me have one piece of land where front just like the river there.
Yes.
So piece of land there so for me piece so. So I them most of my farming. You can stay here and look over there too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah man, right when you go up on the bridge, when you go back out there, so me
you show me, alright.
Me do the most of my farming. You know, see, so when me say, you know, easy for a man come in a hit and stand up and successful. It's very
Yes,
hard.
because it's very hard.
Yes, it's very hard.
Yes, and you're saying it's not like you have a trade otherwise. So
No,
regardless of
I don't have another trade.
Right.
I don't. Nothing me can't tell you, say, me can do.
yes.
More than the farming. Raise one cow or raise 2 pig.
Yeah.
Because if me no get up like all 4 o'clock, if you go a pig pen, me can't get to go up on the farm, go do nothing.
Right.
You
So
know, see?
your morning start from 4 o'clock every day.
Every day. Every day.
And on weekends as well.
And on weekends as well.
Yes, yes.
You know, see it?
Yeah. So, but Mr. Green, because I hear you, you're talking about how difficult it is to farm. You know, you're saying it's hard work. And when I listen to you, hearing you say, you know, regardless of the fact that it is hard, because I don't have a trade, otherwise, this is what you know.
Yeah.
So this is what you continue to do.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is what me continue to do. Nothing else.
Yeah.
So at the farm me have to live by. From you leave your mother and your father. So at this me have to,
Yeah, depend on for your
Depend on-
income and survival.
you know, see it. So it's not an easy road.
Yes.
You know, see.
So where and where you plant yam? Because this farm we're looking at now is your farm.
Yes, this farm is my farm.
Right, and this is just one off.
Yeah.
So, and you have one where?
Me have one round, so.
Oh, further around?
Yes, far
Okay.
round. No, don't make your ground.
Yeah, that's a far one.
Yeah, that road bad and thing too. And me have cross over a river. So you know, easy for and the reason towards the farming to produce it costs. It costs every. Remember 1 yam stick. 100 yam stick then. A $12,000.
Yes.
If you carry from outer road come here, so nobody not charge you less than $4,000 if you carry the 100 yam
So
stick.
you're gone $16,000 this
One
already?
day workman if you jam the 100 yam stick, he might charge you $4,000.
Oh, wow.
So the 100 hill yam, I feel well beer for you get maybe 400.
Yeah.
Maybe 400, and you cannot get you can't get 100. You cannot
Yes.
get. Come here, man. So then dig 100 hill yam an hour, 60 pound of yam then sell.
Oh, wow.
So you see, say
Yes.
that low beyond poverty, low beyond poverty. That. So you farming.
Yeah.
I just do me work hard in the farm. Why?
Yes, yes. So you put a lot of work into it.
I tell you, say me put a lot of work in it.
Yes.
All this a farmer, sometime I'll 13 after 7 o'clock.
You're still here?
Me still here. Me look for my phone 13 after 7 me in the farm.
You're in your farm?
Yeah. I
Oh
work
my
hard.
God. Yes.
Work hard. Very hard.
So you talk about, you know, doing the yam and, you know, the yam coming in.
Yeah.
And it depends on how much you get. But what I did not mention is the fact that even if you get, what, 400 pounds you had said out of the 100?
Yes.
You may not get the price.
You may not get the price. All right. How much yam sell for already? $80.
$80 per pound?
80. That would have $8,000
100. Yes.
$8,000 100. You know, see it. So,
Oh, wow.
so 4 eighths at 32. So 32. 32. So check 32. And maybe you not get the 400 neither, but we just check it at a rate this at 4. Because remember, say, me tell you, say, maybe you not get the 400. So if you get 400,
Yes.
4 eighths at $32,000 that. Check one, all right, look on every hill I am. It's a new yam tick, you know.
Yes.
It's not it, I go pop down. You know, see it, because the breeze wrap up piece of ground over so for me.
Yeah.
And throw everything flat at that.
Oh, wow.
Expense again.
Yes.
Me couldn't go through the ground, because if this ground broke down, you can't come through, you can't dig, it's not you not dig. You have to get man, go clean out the yam stick, clean off the yam waste, and pack them up and heap them up. So,
yes. And I noticed in this farm you're using 3 yam sticks.
yeah.
3 yam sticks to each hill.
Yes, this is an old one.
You have to put one new one.
This is a new one. If you want the ground to stand up strong,
yes.
that's breeze no blow it down. You have to, the breeze wrap out of this way there.
Yes.
See where it touch some up there and it touch some down there. And it couldn't throw it down a dot because if me never try, if it jam is strong.
Yes, so
so have a time when it coming like stormy month. Like in a, when May, June, you have one breeze will blow.
Oh.
You have one breeze will blow like in a May, June.
Okay, okay.
You see it. They're all right. You see the day before you see them emerging, go dig one piece of ground. We about 700 or 800 hill, and if 700 or 800 hill I am drop a dot. In the same time I tell in May, June.
Really, the breeze get it?
Yes, and him have to go, they go weed up the ground.
Oh Lord.
So I see him.
So that's extra expense because you have to get people.
Try to show you say that is an extra expense. Because if this ground blow down.
Yes.
Because say storm come and this ground blow down. You can't come dig it, you know? You have to come through and clean up every one of them and check on maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe one man can do 6 rows so easy, not true?
Oh.
One man can do 6 rows for a day. So check how much, if this ground blow down, how much expense it cost you for really come back through, come take up you.
Yes.
You know, see it. So you see, it costs a living. I remember say 1 bag of lizer.
So that's another expense too. Because you plant a lot of yam. So like this, how much yam you have here, so Mr. Green?
How much?
Because it's two sides, you know, this side and over here as well.
About 900 there on this side.
Oh.
About 900 in this. You know, see it. I believe about 300.
So like how much bag of lizer it take for do this?
12.
12?
12 bag of lizer.
12 bags?
Yeah.
For the duration?
900 here.
For the duration of the time, for the entire time that it, or is just for
no, man. No.
one time?
No. 3 times.
Oh yeah. Oh.
So 4 bag a term.
Oh, okay, so each time.
So like you throw 4 bag this month, the next 2 months you throw one next 4 bag.
Okay.
So if you not do it tonight, I know you're not getting no time.
Yes, yes.
Sure.
But even so, it is still costly.
But me I tell you, say you still have a skill. You have a well-beer fee.
For you to make back something from it.
That. I remember saying, your room, your hall, when me da call you again, your kitchen,
yes,
your bathroom, everything have to survive by it, you know. So you have to spend out of it, and you understand?
Yes, to maintain the house and take care of the other responsibilities that you have.
And maintain back the farm.
And do the farm as well.
You have to come back and dig back the yam hill.
Yes.
You have to stick back the yam hill. You have to plant it. You understand? So
yes.
it will cost you a lot. So farming...
It's hard.
More than hard. More than hard.
Oh, wow.
More than hard.
And so, Mr. Green, I'm looking at the road as you're walking in. The road is pretty bad too because it's really just mud. What type of soil is this?
Sunny.
Oh.
Miss.
So how you manage it? Because...
Miss, I stop.
Yes.
This road is a special road, this. All right, I have one mule. And the youth where you see pass with the donkeys. And him go help June with the mule. You have an idea. From down a riverside, come up a Greentown road. That's a upper my lord. You know when I talk?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Yes.
Well, all right. You tell me, say, now go back. Because of the condition of the road. And that's a regular farm road. So what may I say? And it's a parochial road like. So what may I say? Nobody no response with it. Nobody no response to the farming sector.
What do you think, based on what you're seeing?
What me are saying. Like we can't get no help from no farmer to help we in the farm.
Because one of the things...
If I need the road then, for instance, then I go maybe buy Liza give her them, but
At
for
least the
instance,
road. Yes.
All right. What I'm saying, a two animal. One of the animal dropped 2 times with the yam for catch a road because of
the road.
Because of bad road.
The bad condition of the road.
So what may I say? We don't have nobody can give we no help towards it.
So that goes to my that begs for my next question, which is there a farmers association in your area?
No.
There is none.
No.
Because that would have been a good avenue in which you start to, air your concerns and so on. Is that something you have ever thought of, seeing as though you're in the farming for so many years?
Like when me just said the rather, or somebody out at
Farmers Association.
Farmers Association. If you say them have the right to come in at the area and try to line up something to help the farmer. Because they know so the farmer in a deep distress.
Yes, that's true too. It could go that way as well, because you're right. Everybody knows the farming area, so they know. Because right now we're in Manchester, border of Manchester, Trelawny.
Yeah.
Both areas, both parishes are big on farming.
But them know. The Minister of Agriculture know. Was it Adley Shaw one time? Or no, until now?
I think.
I remember say Adley.
Yes.
Adley Shaw come from Christian.
No, Adley Shaw is no transportation.
Him did Minister of Agriculture.
It's Charles who is. Junior,
so
Charles Junior.
I never one green. Fly.
Yeah, it used to be.
So all right, look how near. Adley Shaw supposed to be the Minister of Agriculture too.
Yes, he was.
So look how near. This was Adley Shaw. I cut it off,
Yes.
Put it on my gully side, So look how near Adley Shaw they and them can turn up something for
the farmers.
For the farmer. Eh?
Wow.
And them know say farmer. And really of a fact, me concerned about teacher and farming. And me would I say farming or anything we produce the food.
Yes.
Because food are the staff of life. And teacher teach everybody. You understand me?
Yes.
Teacher teach, the police and teach, the doctor and teach, the farmer and teach everybody. You know, see it. So them should have concerned about the teacher and the farmer first in Jamaica more than anything.
Yes.
Yeah, what go down further, Zell?
We'll follow you. Oh, so Mr. Green. So
You catch it? You ready?
Oh.
So you see. No, Zelly. No, man, put it down. So, Zelly. You see if you produce this. Alright. Look what me have to do. Walk in high ground. Take a picture in high ground. Take a picture of every hill, a couple hill I am.
Let's go on the farm.
Look, Zelly. Alright, most of man then, when you used to plant, a one you plant.
Yes.
Wait now. One you plant. You see survival when I look.
So you put 3.
Me put 3. Wait now. So you go and get 1 yam or maybe 2 or 3. 1 vine can be a 4 yam too, But suppose this 3 vine I yam beer. So as so comes me say me barely but could have survived. At least me tell you say some man plant and then only get maybe all 100, 200. They say, you ripe? Huh? Right, boy. Right, boy. Young yam that. Look here. One next thing in the system again. The young yam. We not talk about mash up the market. They must know where them are buy.
Yeah.
If you dig the young yam out of the ground, that keep you more than poverty life. Because if you make the yam ripe, you will get more out of the ground.
Yeah.
So most of the man them dig the yam young.
Also, you get more weight when you make it ripe up properly.
Yes. Then me sell little yam. You see him brother where me I tell you Monday. And them I say, how that day? And me say to them, say, you know, see a ripe yam. So if you make a yam ripe, it weigh heavier.
Yes.
You know, see, so that break down the system
as well. But Mr. Green, I have to talk about this. You started a while ago when we were out there. In terms of how you plant yam, though, I have to say I admire it. You know, the technique that you use, because most farms that we go to, they have one yam head on the hill. But you're very strategic, because I see you have 3 in there.
You know, that me tell you. Say,
so talk to us about that.
All right. For one reason, why me plant 3 yam head in the hill. This yam is a round leaf yam. You hear about round leaf?
Yes.
And you have one next one we then call. You know it?
Me no know. Yellow yam?
Yeah. Black waist.
Oh, black waist. Okay.
So this I see him yellow yam, you know. But for instance, I would have said ingrafted then. Forget this yam.
Yes.
So to me, round leaf I come from black waist. I don't know if I lab them put it in an hour.
Oh.
But I know long time it come in.
Yes.
I can't remember the first vine a round leaf when I plant. Me and my grandfather, Josie, and Josie. Yeah, my Josie a cousin.
Yes.
And me and my grandfather go up Mr. Seal Cement. So 100 head. 100 at the round leaf head.
Yes.
Not black waist, because black waist, that yellow yam where they call yellow yam. But all of them yellow, so they say black waist and round leaf. So we did a plant pure black waist.
Yes.
So we go up there. Me lead the mule. And my grandfather ride him donkey. One Ginny donkey just like the one where you see. And when we go up there, I believe I want Saturday morning. And I say, I can't thief when I am head. Can I have me accounting? Which way? If me could have deal with him, I could have thief 3, 4, 5. Because I could have give wrong count and know say 3 come over with now. All right, me count it. Fear. When me say fear, me mean say me count every head for my grandfather. And I say, God, I wonder if he that give me one.
Yes.
And my grandfather take up, like in that take up one of the junk head. The junk head. And I say to myself, say, then you know better in that give me one of the round up head. Because a round leaf,
yes.
Me I see a round leaf.
Yes.
But was a blessing from God.
Yes.
He take up one of the junk head and say, this
yes.
is your pay.
Yes. Wow.
When him kneel down, sit down, kneel down, and me turn up, a King Kong then call me. You know?
Yes, man. King Kong.
So me didn't know how me account.
Yes.
And when he take up here and say, this is your pay. Me feel better for the yam head more than, all right, $4,000 a day now. Because he said them in them the time they did about $500. Just word saying, you know.
Yes, yes.
The one yam head when give me, if he did a pay me that time say me no want no pay.
Yes.
So me glad for the one yam head. And when me develop the one yam head, me have 60 hill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Out of the one?
Yeah.
So you keep planting and replanting and replanting?
Planting and me develop 60 hill.
Oh, wow.
And I got trust 400 for one man cross. Zelino who Winton Murray. And plant. Me plant 280. And I go back in next year and trust 500. Give one man 100. Now I get to this. And me plant 400.
Yes.
Ending up social media with the plant.
Yes.
Me take back. You hear what I say?
Yes.
Me take back the 100 head. So ending up me get back the 500 I made and plant it. I plant the whole of Trelawny and Manchester.
Wow, so you see how you are very strategic, Mr. Green.
But as me tell you, remember me day start from 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, that you mean? Oh, yes. Each day you start from 4 in the morning.
And since 1987 or 88, before me know Sunday for Monday.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So me work Sunday to Sunday, Saturday to Saturday.
Yeah.
Me mean every day
Yeah.
to survive towards it.
Yeah,
So
you put in the work.
oh my God.
You put in the work.
Oh my God.
But Mr. Green, just looking at your farm right now, it looked to me like you just have 2 or 3 growing in a one. Why I say that? Because you have, in each yam hill, you have 3 or 4 heads. And the stick is 2, 3, 4 sticks. And when you go on some farms, it's 1 yam stick and 1 yam head.
Yeah.
So you're very strategic.
Wait no. That's why they say King Kong.
Yes.
Because me try to do it extra.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, King
that
Kong.
means say anything, we are not anything when me go in,
You're right.
me no want to lose. So as far as me tell you say, the ground will blow down.
Yes.
Because me tell you say, the yam when I tell you about Monday, and me dig some, in the same time we blow down, and me have to go through the ground. Chop off every yam tick and take out, if you take out of the ground, if you go through the ground, if you go dig it.
Oh, wow.
So that me I tell you say, if you do it extra,
Yes.
let me not tell you say, the, up at the top where you see broke down, the breeze wrap out of it, in a sense where they not true. Yeah, and me tell you say, wrap out down my foot. If you can look on the breeze, blacker, see where you walk here so too. So you see, if he could have managed the ground,
Yes.
we wouldn't turn up here so.
Yeah, because everything would have blown down.
Then that's why me tell you say, me try to jam yam thing, yam stick chunks, so my man them what you see. And then that's a puss and dog and have a said look. So me just, as me tell you say, me just try to do me thing. Me not say you can't tell me something about the farm.
Yes.
I don't believe say you can tell me about something what I know about.
Yeah.
Or you can learn me something new.
Yeah. You think you know so much, you know,
Yes.
because you have so much practical experience.
Yes.
So there's a lot that you know about farming.
Farming.
Yes.
So
and a lot that you would have even started yourself or invented rather like
by
this.
myself, yes.
By yourself.
Me invent it myself.
Yes.
Because as me tell you, say I me invent.
Yes, the tree hill
yes,
in
the man when me go buy the yam head from him say he better you plant it 1 vine. And me I go in a 2, 3, 4 hill of yam around up.
Yes.
Because around leaf you round up. I just threw windows in and I round up to show you say. Show you
Yes.
so something would be like your fist. Bigger also too,
Yeah.
but you can't take the market. So you can look if that did beer, how
Yeah.
did that beer. So that's why I say, all right, now I go try plant 2. It start to plant 2 first, and then me say to you look a while.
Yes.
Since you come in the ground, say a 4 me I look pan now. 4 head in a hill me I look pan now.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
So me I try to invent it. Because
Yeah.
to the yam what they want for the market, you have to try to can produce it.
Yes. Yes.
You understand me? We could go out down my foot ground.
So, all right. So, because you plant it this way, does it take more fertilizer or it would be pretty much the same amount of fertilizer?
Maybe you dash like more fertilizer. Yes.
Right. So everything is extra for you. So it means now it's going to cost you more to produce.
Yes.
Yes.
At the same time, when you it produce, maybe you not get the where you did that look for either.
Right.
You know, see, maybe you not get where you did that look for.